Looking for a bike bell that's compact, reliable, and easy to install? Imagine having a bell that fits snugly on your handlebars, lets you signal your presence clearly on the trail, and won't rust or lose its crisp sound over time. That's exactly what you get with this adjustable lightweight alloy bell designed to keep you safe and heard without adding bulk. I've been searching for a simple, low-profile bell to mount on my bike for a while. On busy trails, it's crucial to alert pedestrians and fellow cyclists without fumbling or distraction. This bell nails it. It mounts right next to my hand grip, and thanks to its adjustable lever, I can position it perfectly for a quick flick of the thumb. Because it's so small, it fits comfortably alongside my smartphone and headlight mounts without getting in the way. The sound is clear and loud enough for trail use, though I noticed it might be a bit soft in noisy urban traffic. For my rides, it's just right, easy, effective, and unobtrusive. If you're someone who rides trails and wants a no-fuss bell that blends seamlessly with your setup, this one's worth a look. It's made from lightweight alloy, so it won't rust or degrade, keeping that true bell sound ride after ride. The adjustable mount means you get the exact placement you want, making signaling effortless. Try it when you're ready to add a simple safety upgrade that won't weigh you down or clutter your handlebars.